The Corolla Cross has been forever remembered as a practical, city-centric compact crossover that's fuel-frugal. The new Toyota vehicle took this legendary nameplate far beyond the horizon of blacktop and into the realm of off-road excitement. Paving the way for the 2025 SEMA show in Las Vegas, the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid Nasu Edition rewrote the handbook for the compact SUV as an off-road companion capable of taming mountain terrain. Designed as a one-special design, this stage machine is the height of creativity and engineering capabilities by Toyota's Service Parts and Accessories Development Team. Modeled from Japan's famous Nasu mountain region, an area famous for its scenic landscapes, hiking trails, and healing hot springs, this copy of nature is the best in the idea of being pioneering in spirit. Interestingly, the word nasu is both ways in Japanese. As a verb, it gets done, or is defined by drive and motion. As a noun, it's eggplant, literally tied to the crossover's distinctive purple wrap, a gleaming, unconventional flourish that immediately sets it apart from the lower model. The vibrant color not only pays tribute to Japanese roots, but also the crossover's combination of functionality with outward appearance. Underneath the bold exterior paint job is a world of serious off-road upgrades. Nasu Edition takes a step up from standard Corolla Cross, thanks to an aftermarket lift kit of suspension engineered to raise ground clearance and articulation in challenging off-road conditions. Black truck wheels and Toyo Open Country AT3 all-terrain tires are the icing on the cake of its preparation for dirt roads, gravel roads, and rock fields. The lifted ride height not only adds performance, it completely redefines the silhouette of the crossover, with the authoritative stance of an experienced explorer. To go along with its higher ride height, the car was also given an exclusive body kit by Toyota's SPAD engineers that easily balances functionality and design toughness. Flared high guards defend the bodywork from flying garbage, and redesigned skid plates shield the subframes from impact on off-road excursions. Rock sliders along the sides add an extra layer of protection, keeping the doors in one piece through rough encounters. More LED lighting installed around the front and sides offers more night driving visibility while cruising down isolated trails. A sculpted hood scoop, although primarily for cosmetics, is used to add aggressive character that helps to continue the Nasu Edition's aggressive stance. Complementing the in-your-face looking on the outside is a roof rack made by Nasu and adorned with the brand name, where form meets function. The rack carries unique downhill mountain bike to commemorate junior world champion Asa Vermette, whose adventures embody the same sense of exploration and endurance that define the Nasu brand. This salient point brings the concept back to real athleticism, placing Toyota in the universe of exploration and man's performance. Internally, however, the Nasu Edition continues to push the limits of personalization and discovery. The interior features illuminated cargo sills, door sills, and puddle lamps with soft but elegant light that helps illuminate the way at night. The trunk is designed for off-road use with a lockable secure drawer system ideal for storing equipment or travel accessories. Large JBL Bluetooth speakers offer decent music for outdoor gatherings or camping plans, and a built-in fridge cools drinks and snacks on long trips. All these amenities transform the small interior space into a convenience corner befitting new generation travelers. Mechanically, Corolla Cross Hybrid Nasu Edition continues to retain its retro and frugal 2.0-liter hybrid powertrain with combined power of 196 horsepower. All that capability is made available to all four wheels thanks to Toyota's electronic all-wheel drive system, which provides the flat-out best traction on an amazingly broad range of terrain. Though the drivetrain remains the same, the additional off-road gear and suspension tuning puts a sense of comfort into more than the pavement. The Nasu Edition will not be an off-road production vehicle, but an imaginative concept to demonstrate the potential for a hybrid crossover to deliver efficiency with a touch of adventure. Its manufacture was a collaborative activity across various disciplines that involved CAD designing, 3D printing, CNC machining, and hand assembly by precision. Each step was meticulously planned with focus on precision, an aspect that indicates Toyota's commitment to craft innovation. This is the way technology and ingenuity come together to produce cars that transcend function. Toyota Marketing Group Vice President Mike Tripp wrote that the Nasu Edition illustrates Toyota's top-selling and lowest-price nameplate can be repurposed to show the brand's adventurous spirit. The vehicle is crafted to prompt enthusiasts to view their daily drivers as adventure vehicles, demonstrating even a compact hybrid can answer the call of the wild. The 2026 Corolla Cross Hybrid Nasu Edition premiered officially during the 2025 SEMA show, November 4th to 7th in Las Vegas. The event of the year is famous for the world auto industry's most daring designs, performance boosts, and concept vehicles to be launched. The Nasu Edition will be among more than 24 Toyota models on display on the show floor, a demonstration of imagination and personalization that the company is devoted to. Even more such creative concepts will be announced in the weeks leading up to the event. As crossover class increases daily, the Nasu Edition serves as a harsh reminder that adventure and performance needn't be enemies. It pushes the boundaries of what can be done with a small hybrid SUV by uniting clever engineering with aggressive styling and off-road capability. The color purple, raised ground clearance, and introspective interior design are all under the same flag. Off-road adventure is the purview of big, specialty off-road trucks. Even a badge like Corolla Cross can have its rough stuff when fantasy is the ruling force. With its radical styling, cultural symbolism, and mechanical innovation, the Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid Nasu Edition is the perfection of success contained within its name. It reimagines a city commuter crossover into an audacious statement of freedom and autonomy. Testimony that even the most practical vehicles can be reborn in the spirit of adventure.